Hello, my name is Wilson Vargas Cordova. I am a student engineering of telecommunication in the UNAT. According of this activity, I want to explain why choosing the company in the previous activity. The previous activity I wrote my letter to Coca-Cola company. I I wrote this letter to Mr. Luis Balat, president of this company. Uh, I wrote my my letter of this company because Coca-Cola is the largest producer of plastic containers in the world. The second question in this activity say how how does this company contribute to pollution in the world? I say at the moment Coca-Cola is the largest producer plastic containers in the world, which added to the chain consumption of its products are one the main pollutant of on the planet, and the management of this company in its management for this problem was so poor for taking measures to mitigate climate change caused by the emission of gases and the type of plastic used for packaging of your products. The pollution the planet more and more every day. The second question say what opinion of demands expressed in the formal letters. My demands in this letter was the I want to increase measures to mitigate change climate cause of this company. I like to provide a solution of this problem. In my letter, I provide one solution of this problem. I ask that that increase your commitment to the environment and reducing plastic production or use biodegradable elements for the packaging and supporting initiative to recycle as the many packaging as possible and they mitigate the mandate cost to humanity. I expressed in my letter this initiative for to provide one solution of this problem. Thank you very much.